Hi, we're the Travel Snippets. We're very excited to share this upcoming video with you. It is our experience that we had at the Elephant Nature Park here in Chiang Mai. We were a little bit apprehensive about which park to go to or even go to an elephant park and to mix and mingle with the elephants, just due to the fact we'd heard some of them are unethical. And so we didn't want to bathe them, we didn't want to ride them, we didn't want to feed them, we just wanted to try to mingle with them as much as possible, and we were able to at this place. I hope that you'll enjoy this half as much as we enjoyed the experience.
After an uneventful 2-hour drive, we arrived at Elephant Nature Park, a safe refuge for mistreated and injured elephants. Once we arrived at the camp, we were given information about our vegetarian lunch. The man you see there is T. He was our guide for the whole time. He has a very special relationship with the elephants, and he was wonderful to talk to and gave a lot of information. We were given do's and don'ts of the camp, and they were basically to protect the elephants, so we didn't interfere with them too much. Meet Grandma, the oldest elephant in the camp.
When elephant is too old, over 60, 65, they're all teeth gone. Even the big animal, they have only 4 teeth in the mouth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They have 6 sets in their life. Human have around 30, 32. Have 2 sets, elephant have 6. Every 10 to 12 years, the old set of teeth gone.
We were not supposed to approach the elephants. We only got close if they approached us. The elephants come from the circus, tourist attraction, or other work environments where they are mistreated and abused.
Alzheimer and a bit like bipolar. Some day good, some day not good. First thing she grabbed, like, oh, lucky me, I got baby corn. The elephant enjoy eating. Because food, they come from organic farm. They might have some ant, spider, bugs inside, and elephant say, I not eat meat. That means before she eat, get food.
Second.
Okay, clean, I'm eating. And this one is leftover that she not eat anymore. That is sweet. But this one is the main course. For Cypress, young, good teeth, we give her whole corn stalk. She can pick, she can break by her own. But if you remember grandma area, she old. The caretaker chop food for her. They be small pieces. They easy for grandma chewing and digestion. You can move to this corner, you can see. Cypress, can we see?
Yes. It's like a reflection. Oh, it was really white.
Ah, that medicine.
It's magazine.
Medicine. Cream, light medicine cream, antibiotic cream.
Steady right now.
Yeah.
The
A little bit moody. She might hit people. And the owner punishment her, use knife, cut her, like, don't do it. Have many cut on her face. And the biggest one, that wet area. Because she got cut, is healing, but they still have hole, like chopstick hole. It's not never be closed. It's still open. That means when she drink water, the water leak out. When the cold day, she have running nose. The running nose leak out from her trunk. That means another elephant look at her like. Is she super aggressive? Yeah. She don't like baby elephant. She hate baby elephant. One might will quite annoying her. That's why if one might came here and steal her food, she might hit babies. and the mama of the baby gonna fight. Big elephant fight is something too hard to break or stop. And some young elephant who powerful strike the old one, they might be broke and one shot dead. That's why we know that might happen. That's mean safety first. Come on, this good girl. This one is Kanjana. Kanjana around 52 years old. Kanjana, make sure food is safe. Kanjana, you see her leg? Like this, broken angle. Kanjana, you see, she have round back. Never ride it. She work in logging. Yes. First, because number one, different on. Oh my God, this one is my grandson, my granddaughters, my grandkids. They cannot hear my voice. They're gonna be crazy here. Okay. So the first, I'm been here doing COVID. I'm confident to bring you up close elephant. We have 116 elephants today. And some elephant I just like, oh that one. Some elephant I bring you close. Some elephant, oh you can sit with her, make picture. Some elephant, because different people have different behavior and they should guide put all tourists in the same area. That's why. Good man, that girl, 24 years old, come from circus. She is my adopted daughter. And her baby, that one, baby Shaba, my granddaughter, my niece. We have be my 4-year up.
I have to not start today.
This one Shaba, 4 years, 6 months.
Here it goes.
Also the crab from Elephant Nature Park. Yeah, look, turn around, looking for our kids. There, many kids in the river.
Everybody's in a row.
Yeah, he's like elephant. You can see grandma command.
Yeah.
We cannot hear.
Yeah.
Everyone out from the water. The rafting gonna go.
Yeah.
Take me, stand up. Tourist hungry. You can see my tourist. You can see. Oh, she got sunburn. She have red on her face.
Huh? Ah.
Yeah, okay, I go get food for you. Can I go get food? If you force me sit here, can I go get food? It's not edible. If you not let me go, I do something that you're not happy. You wanna let me go? Thank you. Sinuan! 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 Your girl hurt me! Your girl forced me to sit here. She not let me go, bring tourists go eat. Sinuan! Sinuan! เร็ว before Sinuan come เร็ว take return my shoes you know this one not accident she planned you see she stopped grab me if I report this to her grandma she stopped to grab me she stopped to close my mouth please I come back soon
We're now getting ready to leave the park, but I don't think that this experience will ever leave us. We had a wonderful time and it was amazing.